You see something and you wonder, what do you think it's going to feel like, or what do you think it's going to do before it happens? Not a really good one, but because
I'm the Dyer fan.
There ain't no reason things are this way. It's how they always been and they intend to stay. I can't explain why we live this way. We do it every day. Preachers on the podium speaking of saints, prophets on the sidewalk begging for change, old ladies laughing from the fire escape, cursing my name. I got a basket full of lemons and they all taste the same. A window and a pigeon with a broken wing.
Hi, how are you? I heard that some of you wanted to learn science.
I do.
Yeah, I heard that. Good. How many of you want to be scientists when you grow up? Awesome. Yes, we need more scientists in the world, right? My name is Conductor Jay.
I am the mechanic, Ashley.
I am the train brake man, Andres.
Can you make sure we stop? You know that's important, right?
And I'm Engineer Jacob. Hi, everybody.
Alright, so now that you know all of our names, I'm going to go ahead and start and say, how many of you know what scientists do? Yeah? Okay, what do you think scientists do? Potion stuff? Cool. What do you think? I'm actually a chemist. I do work in chemicals. What do you think?
I really did a volcano.
You made a volcano?
I
That's also science. Yeah, go ahead.
made a storm.
A storm?
Yeah. Well, what about all I know what in science is. One time I made an experiment.
Working your fingers back to the bone, breaking your back, make you sell your soul like a lump. It's filled with cold, suffocating slow.
You made an explosion? Oh, okay, well science isn't all about explosions and chemical mutations. Yeah, go ahead.
I like to learn about the weather because my mom does not know the weather in me.
Cool. Okay, yeah, weather is science too. Okay, so first of all, I'll tell you exactly what it is that I do every day, because I'm a scientist at a university. So, first of all, I always think of, what do I think is going to happen? So, if there's a question, then we wonder, what's going to happen, right? So what do you think it would feel like if you were to touch this?
Kind of rough.
Kind of rough. Okay, so how do you know it feels like that? What do you have to do?
Feel it.
You have to feel it, right? So that is actually the experiment part. So scientists they say, okay, I think that this is going to feel soft and this is going to feel rough. So in order to test that, we have to touch it. Or we have to do, and that's called the experiment part. So I'm going to pass these around and you guys can touch them, okay? What do you think? Soft and rough. Alright, so, and it's okay if your guesses are wrong, because in science, I am always wrong. Okay, not always, but I am wrong a lot. It's one of the few times that you can actually be wrong.
Oh, it was right.
You're always right. I wish I was always right. My life would be a lot easier. You're going to circle this one before the feather. If you think that they'll hit at the same time, you'll circle this one. And if you think that the feather will hit first, you circle this one, okay? And you only circle one because that's your one guess. And it's okay, you don't have to be right or wrong. We're going to do the experiment all together here in a minute. You're welcome. So do you want me to tell you again, or you think you got it?
I think I got it. Somebody right there.
In your lap. It's in your lap. You think which one? 1, 2,
3. I was right. What happened? The barbell went first.
1, 2, 3.
More rolls back. Oh, 2, 3. Right all the time.
both.
Well, and the first time I think goes
ourselves, and you can tell us what our experiment is. So you guys got to do it. Now you can watch mine, okay? And Mechanic Ashley's and Brakeman Andres. Okay.
Hey, tell us what you see. Watch really close.
Let me see.
Can everyone see it?
Ready?
Can you guys see?
You can watch right there also.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Both.
What happened?
Did you guys see both?
Yours landed both. Landed at the same time, huh? Is that cool? Come on over. Okay, I need you to be looking.
You want to do a countdown for him when he gets ready?
Tell me what you learned today.
We learned that they go at the same time.
They go at the same time, and why is that?
Because one is hardest and one isn't.
Exactly, and that doesn't matter that one's hard and one's not.
No, it's not.
Would you tell me what you learned today?
I learned the feathers and the rocks fell at the same time.
They did. Why is that?
Because we're scientists.
If you want. What are we
For marble hits first.
Yes, out of 19.
16 out of 19 said that the marble would hit first.
And then 3 out of the 19 said that they would hit at the same time. We had 0 where the feather would hit at the same time.
Okay, then for our post
Or hit it
test,
first.
For our post test, we had 17 kids who said that they hit at the same time, and we had 2 kids who said that the rocks hit first.
So the first time 15.8% of the class guessed correctly, and the second time 89.5% guessed correctly. That's results.